My name's Zachary Schaffer. I go to the University of Akron and I'm a mechanical engineering major. I'm a mechanical engineering intern, so my job is to aid in the design of projects and make design decisions with customer products. My favorite project I've worked on so far was making a bunch of additions to an existing unit, and that's been rewarding because it's something that I've been able to work on and see become a reality in real time. I've seen parts being, the design being made and brought to my desk, and for it to actually be implemented and work is a very rewarding feeling. The team I work with at LayerZero, they're very knowledgeable, and I feel like I've been able to learn a lot from them. I feel a strong sense of accomplishment for my work here because I feel like the work that I'm doing is actually important. I'm working with jobs for customers, active products that need to be made. So I feel like through that, I'm contributing a lot to what the company actually needs. Overall, I'm just very grateful that I've been able to be an intern at a company that is thriving and contribute to something that I can see myself doing in my future.